Hello students. So last class we were discussing about the story Meeting Miss Trotwood. This story is about the boy named David and it is adapted from Charles Dickens' famous work David Copperfield. So till now we got to know from the story that the little boy doesn't has his parents and he somehow managed to arrive to his only relative, that is his aunt. Till here I hope it was done. So let us continue. That was the beginning of my aunt's adoption of me. She wrote to Mr. Murdstone and he and his sister arrived a few days later and were scolded by my aunt for the way they had treated me. So what was that? That was the beginning of my aunt's adoption for me. So my aunt adopted me now. She wrote to Mr. Murdstone. Who was Murdstone? The one to whose place I was there after my mother was dead. So my stepfather. And he and his sister, that is that step aunt, arrived a few days later. So my aunt gave them the notice that please arrive because I will adopt this child. And she also scolded them for treating me in a very bad way. Why, children? Because this little boy David was ill treated and misbehaved by his step parents. He was not given proper education. Instead, he was made to work at factory. Then see, Mr. Murdstone said, finally he would take me back, but if I did not return there, and then his doors will be shut against me forever. So I was warned by Mr. Murdstone that if I don't return back with them, I will never be allowed and the door will be shut forever. And what does the boy say? Said my aunt. Are you ready to go, David? So my aunt was asking that, are you ready to go, David? I answered no and pleaded with her not to let me go. And I also requested, pleaded means to request somebody. I requested my aunt that you should please don't allow me to go with them. She pulled me towards her, so she brought me towards her and said to Mr. Murdstone, you can go when you like. I'll take my chance with the boy. That means I will do whatever I want with the boy. Now I have adopted the boy and he is under my care now. Then what happened? When they had gone, my aunt announced that she would be my guardian and that I should be called Trotwood Copperfield. So my new name was Trotwood Copperfield because Miss Trotwood or Miss Betsy was my aunt and she is now my guardian. Thus I began my new life in a new name and with everything new about me. So everything new has begun now in my life. My aunt sent me to school at Canterbury. Now I was sent to school to a place named Canterbury. Since there was no room at the school for boarders, boarder means what? The one who has to stay somewhere. She arranged for me to board with her old lawyer, Mr. Wickfield. Now, I had to stay somewhere. Whole day I cannot stay inside the school, no. I need a place where I can stay. So, my aunt arranged me to board. Board means to stay with her old lawyer. Who was that? Mr. Wickfield. Wickfield. My aunt was as happy as I was in this arrangement. Both of us were very happy. Mr. Wickfield's house was quiet and still. It was a very sweet house. And his daughter, Agnes, a child of about my own age, was bright and happy. So I got a friend over there. Agnes was a girl child and she was of my age, who was the daughter of Mr. Wickfield, where I was staying. The school I now went to was better in every way than Salem House. So I was sent to a school in Canterbury. This school is a very good school in every manner as my previous school. But I felt very strange, means I had a different feeling. Why? At first, it had been quite a while since I was at a school with companions of my own age. If you go to a new place, children, what happens? Suppose in class 5 we are in the same section, and again when we reach to class 6, my friends changes and I am admitted in a different section. So everything new and we have to adjust in that situation. So the same feeling David was also going through. It had been quite a while since I was at school with companions of my own age. It seemed to me that I had forgotten everything that I had learned. So since it was a new place, I was feeling strange, and I felt that everything what I knew I had forgotten. However, I felt better when I went to school the next day, and a good deal the better the next. So what happened, as I started going to school, every time I felt something good about that. The first day was totally different, then second day I got accompanied with that one. I was familiar with my teachers, my friends, my school, so I started loving it. And so on, that in less than a fortnight means what, children? 2 weeks, that is 14 days. I was quite at home and happy among my new companions. So now I was very happy with my friends and new companions, but it took me to adjust in that and to get familiar with the school atmosphere and my new friends within 14 days or 2 weeks. Trot, said my aunt when she left me at Wakefields, never be mean in anything. What is the meaning of the word mean? Means, see, narrow-minded. Means what? Always thinking about yourself. We should not be like that. Please try to share your things. When we are in school, we share our copies with our friends, with our books, with the books to our friends, and then tiffin. We share everything, and we should do that also. Never be false. Always speak true. And never be cruel. Always be kind. You remember as the chapter begins that Mr. Murdstone, who was a stepfather, was very cruel. So you should not be like that. So my aunt told me as she left me with Mr. Wakefield, I will come and visit you soon. So I will come and visit you soon. She is leaving her child and telling them. And now the pony is at the door and I am off. What is pony? That horse cart is called pony. So the horse cart, my vehicle is waiting, and I will be leaving now. I am off means I will leave now. She embraced me hastily in a very hurry. She is embracing, you can see the picture over here, and went out of the house, and she left the house, shutting the door after her. And she closed the door. When I looked into the street, I noticed how sadly she got into the chase. Now, as I closed the door, I looked through the window, through the street, and I noticed that my aunt was very sad. What is the meaning of chase? See, it is given a small horse-drawn carriage with an open top and 2 wheels. So you can say a horse cart. And that she drove away without looking up. So children, from the story we got to know about the little boy David, who was being tortured by his step parents, and somehow he managed to leave that place and go to stay with her aunt. Later his aunt gave him a good life, a new school for which he longed, and now everything has become quite well. So this child got a new life, new friend, and a new school. See what is given about Charles Dickens. More information will be uploaded in the Parents Alarm. Please do follow it. Charles Dickens, 1820 to 1870, was an English writer. David Copperfield was his favorite novel and David his favorite character. It is said that many things that happen in the book are based on his own life. For example, like David, he also had to quit school and work in a factory for some time. So maybe it is related with his Charles Dickens life. More information will be given in the Parents Alarm. Just go through your chapter, read it, and when we will meet on the Google Meet platform, we will discuss about the word meanings. If you have any doubt, you will ask it over there. Till then, enjoy your class, stay safe at home, and please do follow the website regularly. I hope you liked this class. Thank you children for listening to me.